evaluate the integral of sine cubed 2x cosine squared 2x dx. So you have the integral of the product of powers of sine and cosine. So sine has an exponent of 3, add, and cosine has an exponent of 2, which is even. So if that's the case, we split the power of the trigonometric term that has add exponent, which is the sine. So we'll rewrite this as sine squared 2x times sine 2x, so that the exponents of sine here 2 plus 1, 3. Then times cosine squared 2x dx. And then the goal here is to let u be equal to cosine 2x so that its derivative will be sine 2x dx. So just retain this cosine squared 2x, but for the sine squared 2x, we must represent in terms of cosine. We can do that by using Pythagorean identity. So sine squared 2x using Pythagorean identity is equal to 1 minus cosine squared 2x. Then let's copy first this cosine squared 2x, then times sine 2x dx. So then we can let u be equal as planned cosine 2x. Then get the derivative of u du. Derivative of cosine 2x is negative sine 2x. Then times by chain rule, the derivative of 2x, 2 dx. So what we need from the original integral is this positive sine 2x dx. We have an extra coefficient of negative 2. We eliminate by dividing both sides of the equation by negative 2. So therefore, we'll have du over negative 2 or negative 1 half du equals, so canceling out the negative 2, equals to positive sine 2x dx. Now we can substitute. So we'll have the integral of 1 minus this cosine 2x is u squared. So have u squared times cosine 2x again, which is u squared. And then the sine 2x dx is equal to negative 1 half du. So we can put this negative 1 half constant in front of the integral. We'll have negative 1 half integral of, we can distribute the u squared, multiply 1 times u squared, then minus u squared times u squared u to the 4th du. So we can distribute the integral symbol. We'll have negative 1 half integral of u squared du. The negative times negative, positive 1 half integral of u to the 4th du. So to evaluate this integral, we apply the power rule. Integral of u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to negative 1. So negative 1 half integral of u squared is u to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, applying power rule, so that we have u cubed over 3. Then plus 1 half integral of u to the 4th, again power rule, it's equal to u to the 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1, which is equal to u to the 5th over 5. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. Then we multiply negative 1 half times 1/3, that's negative 1/6 u cubed plus 1 half times 1/5, 1/10 u to the 5th plus c. And then the final step is to substitute back the u in terms of x, which is cosine 2x. So we'll have negative 1/6u cosine 2x cubed plus 1/10 u cosine 2x raised to the 5th power plus c. So this is the final answer.